What's up, guys? This is Keaton doing the Brandon Cooks and Willie Brown auto lot for Dale. Scroll down the thread. Going live. Alright, timestamp 9:08. 9:08. Copy and paste the list. We got Dusty with 2, BB with 2, John, BB, John, and Raider Don with the last 3. 2 dice, 1 time, no snake eyes. Snake eyes, you know the drill. 7 times. Mesa, Arizona time, 9:09:09. Ooh, spot 9 might hit, 9:09:09. 7 times. Good luck, everybody. 1. 10 items. 2. Raider Don. 3. BB. 4. 4. Raider Don. 5. Raider Don. 6. We got Dusty up top, Raider Don on the bottom. We got 7 on the dice. Again, Mesa, Arizona time, 9:09. 46. 7 times. 7th and final. Good luck. 7 times. Dustin stays up top with the dick spot. The #1 spot no one ever wants. Congratulations, Dustin. Sorry, everyone else. And I'm going to do, well, it's not a shameless plug because it's not for my card. If you guys have $10, 9, 10, 7 times, go and drop it on that Andrew Luck. If you win that card, you're not gonna be disappointed. People say, "Oh, it never happens to me on a 150 spotter." I won a 200 spot Andrew Luck with 5 spots once. It can happen, dudes. All right, gonna go done. There's only like 3 people in here anyway in this Raz, so plugging that was kind of pointless. 9, 10, 9, 10, end time. And again, Dustin is the winner. Congratulations. See you guys later. I'll be up for quite a bit, so tag me if you guys need any videos done. Later.